Meet the G400 laundry pair, designed to make everyday laundry simple, reliable, and easy to use. The G400 washing machine makes laundry simple from the start. The easy dosing drawer features a 4-chamber system that keeps powder and liquid detergents separate, so dosing is clean, simple, and spill-free. Liquids stay securely in place until the wash begins, even with delay end. And the self-cleaning function keeps the drawer spotless. A smart spray system automatically rinses away residue every end of the cycle. No extra water, no effort. And the G400 gives you all the essential features you need for dependable washing. Up to 40% more efficient than A-class appliances. Ultra clean to make sure that the interior is spotless. Fast wash completes a daily load in just 39 minutes. AquaJet Wash delivers strong, even water flow for great cleaning results. The G400 dryer focuses on one important thing: caring for your clothes with gentle, effective drying. Its core feature, Nature Dry, simulates the gentle feel of outdoor air drying. It preserves colors, protects fibers, and treats even delicate garments with great care, thanks to its significantly lower drying temperature of just 34 degrees Celsius, compared to the usual 51. It also includes essential features that make everyday drying easy. Clean air ensures even airflow so clothes dry more uniformly. Anti-crease reduces wrinkles and keeps laundry from tangling. Fast Dry dries your clothes in short 49 minutes. With essential features, reliable washing and drying, and easy everyday usability, the G400 series is designed to make laundry effortless.